Hi everyone, how you doing? It's Phil here from Phil's Honest Reviews. Hope you've been checking out my other reviews and checking out my website where I give a bit more detail. These are just a quick overview just to tell you what I think about a product. Today we're looking at the DeWalt DCM563 Hedge Trimmer. I've had this, as you can probably gather, for the state it's getting itself into for a number of years. I don't generally do a lot of gardening. It's not my main profession. I do use it personally at home. I find it really convenient. There's no cables to cut, which is the key thing. And it does go up to a reasonable size of cut, and it's pretty clean. If I just pan around, it needs doing, but that's the sort of length of hedge that I'll do, and that'll take a couple of batteries to do that hedge. But it does it with no problem, including that bit there. All I do is, in between cuts, is I just drop a bit of oil on here. Quite often use chainsaw oil. It's got a protector just to put on it there, just to stop anybody cutting their fingers or anything accidentally. Obviously it's the naked edition that you get. There's no batteries, there's no carry case. You can see on the side here it's rated at 98 decibels. I tend to use safety goggles, and I do wear ear defenders. I think I'm just getting a bit older and I notice any noise now, the impact that it has on me. Let's just try and see if we can. As you can hear, that's fairly noisy. As it's got older, it has got a bit noisier, which is what I think you'd expect from anything like this. Would I buy another one? Yep, no problem, no issues with it. You've got a little safety switch under here, which you have to sort of flick over before you can press that down, and you have to hold this one in as well, so another safety mechanism. So if you let go of it with one hand, it will automatically stop. It needs both to keep them going. Not a lot I can say about it. It's a hedge trimmer. It's DeWalt, 18 volt, uses the same battery as the rest of my kit does. I had no issues with it. It does what I need it to do. Alright, that's been a quick review for you on the DeWalt DCM563 Hedge Trimmer. Give it a click, give us a like, give us a follow, and please do go and have a look at my website for other reviews, and also check out my other videos. Alright, take care, speak to you soon. Bye.